Alright, thought I'd make another video. People ask me about this stuff all the time. This one's kind of cool. It says clean 48 hours, stuck on food. So what I got going on is if I throw on the water, I was shaving this morning and it's slowly starting to, well, now it's doing pretty good. Maybe the clog is a little bit deeper. Figures now it doesn't work. Anyways, when I shave in, the water is filling up, which tells you that there's being some restriction. That's kind of weird that it cleared by itself. But anyhow, we're going to do this anyhow. My favorite thing to do, I decided to show you this here. This is kind of cool. So, get yourself one of these coffee cans. This one's empty. Fill it full of hot water so you can enjoy your coffee. Reuse your products that it came in. You get a double win there. Anyway, so that's filling up with hot water. You should get yourself the cheapest, this one's from Costco it looks like. Get some of these here. I'm just going to throw one in. This should do a whole load. So the idea here is I'm making instant drain cleaner. That's down in there. I should get a stick. Hold on, I'll show you another trick. Be right back. Alright, so next time you go to your hardware store, in this case Home Depot gets a free plug. I'm going to go to Lowe's today, so see if they got any. Pick up yourself a couple of free paint sticks. They don't mind you taking it because they get free advertising out of this. And Home Depot did not sponsor this video, but they should. Anyhow, so using my free stick, I'm just going to stir this up. So right now I'm making a drain cleaner is what I'm making. So I'm going to stir this up and it'll take just a few seconds because I want it well dissolved. Actually it looks like it's done. It's probably good enough. This stuff, if you touch it, don't touch this stuff because it's not good for your skin. It takes all the moisture out of it. So now this is quite a bit here. You just pour it in here. Take a little bit here. I'm going to throw some hot water. Kind of get the last of this remnant here. Make sure you rinse this out. You don't want to be dumping coffee grains in your sink. That'll plug it up. In fact, some people don't know that and they stick all kinds of crazy stuff that builds up over time in their sink. It looks like that's it. So I'm going to save this. This is pretty cool. Let it dry out and then throw one of these in there ahead of time. In fact, if you wanted, you could have this already pre-dissolved. I should get that's what I'll do. I'll get if I see a jug laying around, I'll label it a drain cleaner. Have this all pre-done for me. Save yourself, this is almost all free. Everybody's probably got something of this. If not, you can pick them up for like $4. Free stir stick, free container. Now I'm just running the hot water down there, and it'll start going pretty quick. Well, even now, I guess you don't really have to keep running it. What happens is the enzyme eaters inside the dishwashing pods will continue working on the drain. If you do this every once in a while, it'll keep your sink working clean. And the idea is like this: when it starts, when you notice it backing up, that's the time to do this because then it'll keep the drain clean. If it gets too plugged up, it's hard to let the stuff wash through. Anyways, hope this helps you out making some free drain cleaner. Anyways, you have a good day and thank you for watching.